Welcome to Seed to Life. If you have watched my videos in the past, then you might know that I strongly believe in healthy organic food that is consumed in the most nutritious way. As much as possible, I try to avoid processed foods, and that is the reason I grow organic vegetables in my home garden. A healthy diet is not complete without whole grains. We get different types of flours in stores nowadays, but nothing can beat freshly ground flour to make whole grain breads. And that is why I am so excited to unbox and try out this electric grain mill and dry spice grinder by Leevot brand. Before we start, let me tell you that this product was sent to me for a review, and today I am going to show you this product and use it to grind some sample foods. This grain mill and dry spice grinder is available for purchase on Amazon. The link to purchase this product is given in the description. So let's begin. As you can see, the product is well packaged and came in good condition. So there are two different types available. One is 100 gram stand type and other is 300 gram swing type. 100 gram and 300 grams are the capacities of each model respectively. They also have some differences in their design. I had the smaller model that you can lift and tilt to empty out. The mill is out and it is made up of stainless steel. According to the product specifications, this is food grade stainless steel. It is plastic free, so doesn't contain BPA, which is great. The product looks sturdy. It is small but weighs about 5 pounds, which is great because I don't want the grinder to keep moving when it is in action. Additionally, to make it stable, the base also has suction cups that hold on to the counter firmly. This red button is an overload protector. If the machine is overheated, it shuts it down temporarily until the machine is safe to operate again. You can set this timer in the slots of 30 seconds precisely. The lid opens from top and it is reinforced by these two clamps. I'm not new to using grinders. All Indian households typically need grinders on a daily basis, and I also have it. But this one is 650 watts, whereas the one that I have is only 550 watts. So the machine is more powerful in this Leevot grinder compared to the one that I have currently, especially considering it is only for 100 gram capacity. This grain mill comes with this mini sifter to get the uniform fine powder. It also comes with extra blades, a couple of extra clamp springs and wooden cleaning brush. There is also a product information page that describes the different parts of the machine and a warranty card. I cleaned the product first using a wet towel and soap, and then just wet towel multiple times until the soap was completely gone. Just be careful while cleaning it, as the lid is supposed to close properly, and I guess because of that the edges are a little sharp. Now let's try it out. I have taken some barley grains to make flour, dry roasted spices to make garam masala or spice powder, and these roasted coffee beans. So let's start with barley. I'm going to grind this 100 gram barley. First, let's close the lid, lock it in the slots, and then press the clamps down like this. Now I am setting the timer for 30 seconds and plugging in the cord. The sound is not that bad. It is only for less than a minute. I added 15 seconds more because I wanted a finer powder. Now let's open it. Oh wow, the flour looks awesome. It is adequately fine and you can use it as it is or use the sifter to get a uniform flour. You can use the cleaning brush to clean the pot. The next is a spice mix. I roasted the spices on a low-medium heat for a couple of minutes or until they start giving out that aroma. The spice mix is now cool. I first ground it for about 15 seconds. If you want a coarse mix, lower the timer, whereas for finer powders, increase the timer setting. Spice powder is ready. I will store it in this airtight container. The last one is coffee beans. there are roasted beans and I want to grind them into a coarse powder. So I'm going to set the timer to about 15 seconds again, and it came out perfect. Overall, the product is pretty good. All three things that I ground are exactly the way I would like. Not just these things, but you can use it for making homemade grits, lentil flours, herb mix, dried vegetable powders, and even for homemade baby cereals. Because of its compact structure, it easily fits under or inside your kitchen cabinets without taking much space. Overall, this electric grain mill grinder commercial pulverizer by Leevot is a product as described in the product description. It is sturdy, compact, and easy to use. It is affordable for average buyers and provides good value for money. Once again, the link to buy it is in the description. Thank you. Big thanks to you for watching my videos and supporting my channel Seed to Life. Please click subscribe for more such videos and updates. Click the bell icon to get notified about future videos, and feel free to reach out to me through comments, Facebook, Twitter or Instagram if you have any questions. I am posting the links in the description. I would love to hear your suggestions and would like to know the news of your garden. Happy gardening. Thank you again. See you soon.